Convert 401k to Gold IRA before the bubble bursts. Here's how. Market cycles are unpredictable. Stocks soar, then suddenly decline, leaving retirement savings vulnerable. With rising concerns about inflation, debt, and market instability, many are looking at safer options. One strategy stands out: convert 401k to Gold IRA. Gold has preserved wealth for centuries and can protect retirement funds when traditional investments falter. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold, silver, or other approved precious metals instead of paper assets. Unlike a standard 401k, it provides a tangible hedge against inflation and market crashes. Why 2026 may be critical: analysts warn of potential bubbles in stocks, real estate, and government debt. If these burst, retirement accounts heavily tied to equities may suffer major losses. Gold, with its history as a safe haven, offers balance and stability during turbulent times. Converting before a crisis allows investors to act proactively rather than reactively. Steps to convert a 401k to Gold IRA. 1. Check 401k rollover rules. If still employed, confirm whether in-service rollovers are allowed. If retired or changed jobs, conversion is typically easier. 2. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. Only specialized custodians can manage Gold IRAs under IRS rules. 3. Do a direct rollover. Move funds directly from your 401k to avoid taxes and penalties. 4. Select IRS-approved metals. Eligible options include certain bullion and coins meeting purity standards. 5. Use an approved depository. Gold must be stored securely in IRS-approved vaults, not at home. Who should consider a Gold IRA? Investors worried about inflation and currency devaluation. Retirees who cannot afford sharp portfolio declines. Savers seeking diversification beyond stocks and bonds. Strategic allocation considerations. Financial experts suggest allocating 5 to 10% of retirement funds to gold for balance. More cautious investors may increase this to 20 to 30% during times of instability. Gold should not replace all investments but act as a stabilizer alongside stocks and bonds. The imperative of timing: bubbles rarely announce their collapse. Once they burst, values drop fast and recovery becomes difficult. Converting before panic sets in ensures you secure gold at reasonable prices and protect your retirement before losses occur. No one can predict exactly when markets will correct, but history shows bubbles eventually burst. Converting a 401k to a Gold IRA before that moment arrives can protect retirement savings and provide peace of mind. For those aiming to safeguard wealth in 2026 and beyond, adding gold is not speculation, it is preservation. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.